हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। माय नेम इज चैतन्य और आज से हम एमसीक्यूज देखने वाले हैं। ओके, अब आपको तो पता ही है कि मे भी अपने गवर्नमेंट महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट में एमसीक्यूज की टेस्ट हो सकती है। सो अपन उस पर फोकस करने वाले हैं अभी। ओके, सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट द प्रोसेस ऑफ वेरीफाइंग द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ अ यूजर and options are authentication, B identification, C validation, and the last one is verification. So the correct answer is authentication. अभी सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन। मैं पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि इतना टाइम नहीं है अपने पास। ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ कंसर्न ऑफ a concern of authentication that deals with user rights, and options are general access, second functional authentication, third functional authorization, and the last one is auto verification. And the correct answer is functional authorization. The third question is CHAP stands for. Okay, and options are challenge handshake authentication protocol, B challenge hardware authentication protocol, C circuit hardware authentication protocol, and the last one is circuit handshake authentication protocol. And the correct option is A challenge handshake authentication protocol. Okay, now the fourth question is an algorithm in encryption is called as. Okay, so the options are A algorithm, second B procedure, C cipher, and the last one is module. So the correct option is C cipher. Fifth question is what the process of transforming plain text into unreadable text. Okay, so the options are decryption, B encryption, C network security, and the last one is information hiding. So the correct answer is B encryption. Okay, sixth question is what a person who enjoys learning details about computers and how to enhance their capabilities. And options are A cracker, B hacker, C app controller, and the last one is site controller. Okay, so the correct answer should be hacker. Okay, the seventh question is what a cipher in which the order is not preserved. Okay, and options are A polyalphabetic substitution base, B transposition base, C substitution base, and the last one is public key base. And the correct option is B transposition based. Okay, now coming towards 8th question, attack in which a user create a packet that appears to be something else. Okay, and the options are A smurfing, B trojan, C email bombing, and the last one is D spoofing. And the correct option is D spoofing. Okay, sorry, मैंने इंक सिलेक्ट ही नहीं किया था. The option is D spoofing. Okay, the ninth question is a technique in which a program attacks a network by exploiting IP broadcast addressing operations. And options are A smurfing, B denial of service, C email bombing, and the last one is D ping storm. And the correct option is A smurfing. Okay, and the 10th question is a type of cipher that uses multiple alphabetic strings. Okay, and options are substitution based, B transposition based, C polyalphabetic substitution based, and D monoalphabetic substitution based. And the answer is polyalphabetic substitution based. That is option number C. Okay, the 11th question is DES stands for. Option A data encryption standards, B data encryption statistics, C data encryption system, and option D data encryption sequence. And the correct answer is data encryption standards. Now coming towards the next slide. Here The question is a stage in which individual components are integrated and ensured that they are error free to meet customer requirements. Meet customer requirements. Okay. And the options are A. Coding, B. Testing, C. Design, and the last option is D. Implementation. And the correct option is B. Testing. Okay. The 13th of question is dash is a step in which design is translated into machine readable form. Okay. A. Design, B. Conversion, C. Debugging, and the last one is D. Coding. And the correct option is D. Coding. Now the 14th question is A. Dash represents the net of information in the program without the presenting the details. Okay. Now the options are A. Abstraction, B. Polymorphism, C. Implementation, and the last one is D. Class. And the correct option is A. Abstraction. Okay. Now the 15th question is abstraction combines the data and functions into a single unit called as a class. Is it true or false? A option true and the B option is false. Now the correct option is B, false. It is a false statement. Okay. Now the 16th question is what? Let's see. The process of forming a new class from an existing class. And let's see what are the options. A. Abstraction, B. Polymorphism, C. Inheritance, and D. Implementation. Now what are the correct option is C. Option is C. Okay. Now the 17th question is message dash means that the receiver is ensured that the message is coming from the intended sender, not an imposter. Okay. Now the options are confidentiality, B. Integrity, C. Authentication, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is authentication, C. Okay, which is the C option. Now the 18th question is dash means to prove the identity of entity that tries to access the system resources. Okay. Now the options are A. Message authentication, B. Entity authentication, C. Message confidentiality, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is entity authentication. Now last slide is remaining. Now the 19th question is what? A dash signature is included in the document, semicolon. A dash signature is separate entity. And the option are A. Conventional, semicolon, digital, B. Digital, semicolon, digital, C. Either A or B, D. Neither A or B. Okay. सॉरी फिर से मैंने लिया ही नहीं था. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज व्हाट? कन्वेंशनल डिजिटल. ओके. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? पासवर्ड बेस्ड ऑथेंटिकेशन कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू broad categories dash and dash. Okay. Now the options are A. Fixed variable, sorry, fixed semicolon variable, B. Timestamp semicolon variable, C. Fixed semicolon one time, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is what? C. Fixed semicolon one time. Okay. Now we are completing the 20 questions. In the next video I will complete another more 20 to 30 questions. Okay. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.